In fairness! Quick stop at Starbucks, so we're trying some new drinks and kasama na rin dito ang medyo kwentuhan about the movie that we've just seen. Nagustuhan ko yung in-order ni Tim, so I ordered one for myself as my second drink.
Yeah. That's him. This is the guy that has. Oh, that one. This guy. Wow. That's one. The chili chicken was good and 3K.
Can you feel the biscuit cookie?
Yeah.
Nag-decide na rin kaming umuwi kasi ginagabi na din. Paglabas namin, umuulan na pala sa labas and kailangan namin maglakad going to our pick-up point. Ayaw maglakad ni Philip kaya ito ang sabi ko sa kanya.
To wait here until midnight.
Oh no!
Or
Oh no! Oh my god!
Ayan, tinry namin na maglakad sa mga gilid para hindi talaga kami mabasa ng ulan.
are you wet?
For me, not really. Oh.
Nakarating na rin kami sa wakas sa aming pick-up point. In fairness!